Remote and hybrid work, designing for the future. The rise of remote and hybrid work is transforming how organizations structure themselves. As technology enables seamless collaboration across locations, businesses must rethink traditional hierarchies, workflows, and employee engagement strategies. In this lesson, we'll explore how companies can design organizational structures that support remote and hybrid work effectively. Why remote and hybrid work matter. Remote and hybrid work are no longer temporary trends. They are becoming standard ways of operating. Organizations that adapt their structures to accommodate this shift can attract and retain top talent by offering flexible work options, increase productivity through optimized workflows and digital collaboration, reduce costs associated with office space and commuting expenses, expand globally by hiring talent from different regions without geographical limitations. However, without a well-structured approach, remote and hybrid work models can lead to communication breakdowns, decreased engagement, and operational inefficiencies. Key organizational models for remote and hybrid work. 1. Fully remote organizations. Some companies operate entirely remotely, eliminating the need for physical offices. Pros: access to a diverse global talent pool. Significant cost savings on office space and utilities. Employees enjoy greater flexibility and work-life balance. Cons: requires strong digital infrastructure and cybersecurity measures. Can lead to isolation and decreased company culture if not well managed. Managing remote teams across different time zones can be challenging. Hybrid organizations. A mix of in-office and remote work, with employees having the flexibility to choose where they work. Pros: offers flexibility while maintaining in-person collaboration. Allows companies to retain physical offices for strategic purposes. Increases employee satisfaction and work-life balance. Cons: requires clear policies to avoid inequalities between remote and in-office employees. Can lead to communication gaps if digital collaboration tools aren't optimized. Designing an effective structure for remote and hybrid work. To succeed in a remote or hybrid environment, organizations must redesign their structures around the following principles. 1. Flexible work policies. Define clear guidelines for remote work expectations, availability, and communication. Establish performance metrics based on outcomes rather than hours worked. Encourage asynchronous work to accommodate different time zones. Technology-enabled collaboration. Invest in digital collaboration tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. Use cloud-based platforms for document sharing and project management. Ensure robust cybersecurity protocols to protect sensitive company data. 3. Reimagine leadership and management. Train leaders to manage remote teams effectively, focusing on trust and outcomes. Encourage transparent communication and regular check-ins. Implement virtual mentorship and team-building initiatives to maintain engagement. 4. Company culture and employee engagement. Foster a strong remote culture through virtual events and employee recognition. Provide mental health and wellness support for remote employees. Create opportunities for in-person retreats or team gatherings. Case studies: companies leading remote and hybrid work. One Spotify, work from anywhere policy, allows employees to choose where they work while ensuring productivity and collaboration. Invests in digital tools to maintain company culture and team connectivity. 2. Dropbox Virtual First Strategy. Transition to a remote first model while maintaining small in-person collaboration spaces. Focuses on asynchronous work to increase efficiency across different time zones. 3. Google Hybrid Work Model. Offers flexibility while requiring employees to spend part of the week in physical offices. Uses data-driven insights to optimize office spaces and employee preferences. Final thoughts. Remote and hybrid work are here to stay, and organizations that embrace this shift will be better positioned for the future. By designing structures that prioritize flexibility, technology, leadership, and culture, businesses can thrive in the evolving work landscape. In the next lesson, we'll discuss how to measure success in remote and hybrid work environments and continuously optimize for efficiency.